Don't throw away eggshells just yet. Simply pour Coca-Cola on them, and you'll be surprised by their amazing use, saving you so much money you won't need to go grocery shopping as often. Simply combine eggshells with a bottle of Coca-Cola, and you can perform this trick. Watch until the end of the video to learn these helpful tips. Tip 1. First, prepare 2 bowls. I will put the egg yolks in one bowl and the eggshells in the other. Eggshells are rich in calcium and organic matter. Throwing them away is incredibly wasteful. First, put the eggshells into the grinder and grind them until very fine. Eggshells not only create a powder rich in calcium and organic matter, but the grinding process also helps keep the grinder blades sharper. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After grinding them, I divided them into 2 parts. I put about 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola in the blender. At this point, the Coca-Cola combined with the eggshells will create a frothy layer. Soak it for about 10 minutes. First, I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Then stir well until completely dissolved. I prepared a can of tuna and poured it through a sieve to press out the excess oil. This step helps the mixture dry out, making it easier to shape and preventing it from becoming too greasy when fried. Next, I added the drained tuna to the eggs. To enhance the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, a little paprika powder for color, and a mild spicy flavor. Finally, I added chopped green onions and cilantro. All ingredients are mixed together until they form a smooth, pliable mixture. Once the mixture was ready, I put it on a hot pan with a little oil. Pour the entire mixture into the pan and fry until the eggs are evenly golden brown on the outside. During frying, the egg will help bind all the ingredients together, creating a light golden crust on the outside, while keeping the inside soft and full of fish flavor. Flip it over so both sides are golden brown. The finished product is a golden fried tuna roe dish, fragrant and slightly crispy on the outside, soft and creamy on the inside, with a mild salty taste of tuna combined with the aroma of herbs and lime, making it very appealing. Tip tray. First, I crack the eggs into a pouring cup and stir well so that the yolks and whites are thoroughly mixed. Next, I prepared a metal ladle and coated the inside with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Next, I scooped a sufficient amount of the egg mixture into a ladle and held it directly over the gas stove flame. When exposed to heat, the egg mixture begins to solidify very quickly, forming a thin layer that coats the inside of the ladle. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. At this point, I added some cheese and chopped bell peppers to the center to make the filling. Then I gently folded the egg in half right in the ladle and transferred it to a plate. The result was a lovely little egg roll with a soft outer layer and a delicious runny filling inside. Tip 4. I cracked an egg into a bowl. Then use a slotted spoon to separate the yolk from the egg. This method helps to keep the yolk intact, while the egg white will provide the special color to this dish. Next, I prepared some black olives and put them in a bowl. Use a grinding tool to grind it very finely. When mashed, the natural black color from the olives gradually blends into the egg whites, creating a mixture with a very unusual and different color compared to regular fried eggs. Next, I heated the pan and added some oil. Then pour the egg white and olive mixture into the pan and fry over low heat. When the egg white started to set and hold its shape, I gently placed the yolk on top. Let the egg cook for a little longer until it reaches the desired doneness. Then carefully fold the edges to create a neat square, ensuring the yolk is completely enclosed. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When finished, I gently remove the plate. The finished product is a very unique black egg dish. An interesting and eye-catching variation that is also nutritious, perfect for refreshing a familiar breakfast and making eggs much more appealing. Let's go back to tip number 1. Here, I'll start with the finely ground eggshells without the Coca-Cola. I took them out to the vegetable garden and sprinkled them evenly on top. With this method, you can utilize eggshells as a valuable source of nutrients for plants, supplementing calcium and essential minerals, helping roots grow strong, and making the soil loose, porous, and nutrient-rich. I then stirred the remaining eggshells and Coca-Cola together. Then I took it out to the garden. You can use it to water each pot, but remember to only water with the right amount. This method not only helps in the full absorption of nutrients, but also improves soil quality, making the soil more porous, thus promoting healthy growth, lush green leaves, and a vibrant garden. This is a simple yet significant way of caring for the plant, both revitalizing it and creating a favorable environment for long-term growth. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.